Are you planning a trip to Singapore? Forget this one simple form and you might be stuck at immigration. Welcome to We the Travelers, where we bring you unfiltered travel information. And today, we will discuss a lesser known immigration requirement that travelers often overlook when visiting Singapore. Regardless of whether you need a visa to enter Singapore or not, every traveler entering Singapore needs to apply for a Singapore arrival card. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply for it step by step. So let's get started. All travelers are required to submit their Singapore arrival card before arriving in Singapore. This does not apply to those who are transiting or transferring through Singapore without seeking immigration clearance or Singapore citizens, permanent residents, long-term pass holders entering via land checkpoints. And to submit your arrival card, you can do so using this website or the My ICA mobile app. I will provide the link for the website as well as the mobile app in the description. You can see most of the important information about the arrival card on this website, and all of this information we will be covering in this video. You are required to submit the arrival card within 3 days before arrival in Singapore. This is to avoid unnecessary delays during immigration clearance upon your arrival. For example, if you are arriving in Singapore on 30th June, you can submit your declaration from 28th June onwards. This website also provides a chat option to clarify your doubts. Now to submit your arrival card, click on the Submit Online option on the home page. Here you can find 3 options: submitting your arrival card, updating it, and retrieving it. We will cover all 3 options in this video. Let's begin with submitting your arrival card. Select your residency type. I will be selecting a foreign visitor. Now you will need to fill out the date of your arrival along with your personal information as per your passport. Provide your email address and phone number. At the end of this page, provide a health declaration. Please indicate whether you have visited any of these countries in Africa or Latin America within the past 6 days. In case your answer is yes, you will need to provide a vaccination certificate during your immigration at the immigration counter. I will be selecting no and proceeding. You can add more travelers if required, else click next and move on to the next page. On the next page, provide all the information regarding your trip like travel details and accommodation details. Click Next to proceed. On the next page, review all the information. Select all the terms and conditions before submitting your details. And that's it. You have successfully submitted your Singapore arrival card. You will receive an email with an acknowledgement along with a DE number for your arrival card. Once you have submitted your card, you can visit the home page and go to the Retrieve Electronic Pass option to fetch your arrival card. You can fetch your card by providing your passport details. You can also fetch your card using the DE number that was sent to your email when you submitted the card. Finally, if you need to update any of the information in your arrival card, you can do so by selecting the Update option on the home page. You can update all the information except date of arrival, full name, passport number, date of passport expiry, date of birth and nationality. If you wish to update any of these fields, you need to submit a new application. In case of any other updates, you can simply retrieve your details using your DE number along with your passport information and update your information. And that's it. This is everything you need to know about the new Singapore arrival card. In case you have any questions or doubts, drop them in the comments and I'm here to help. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to We the Travelers for more raw and unfiltered travel tips.